Okay, here we go. So I was looking at this recipe for 2-ingredient naan, and I'm gonna give it a shot because I'm hungry and I want some food in my belly. And you know, I just like to try these things and share that with you. So all it calls for is a cup of flour, self-rising flour, a cup of yogurt. I didn't have self-rising flour, so I did flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder. There's the flour, here's the yogurt. Did I say a cup of yogurt? I don't know if I did, but that's what we're doing. Plant-based yogurt. I used this Forager cashew milk yogurt. Never tried it before. Plain. I'm just gonna give it a little stir now. Okay, just gonna stir it together. Super easy. I'm gonna turn this on, my pan on, medium high. Get it nice and warm. Nice and hot. Okay. Maybe just a little more flour. Let's dump it out here. Okay, so I'm going to dump this out. Get some flour in my hand. I'm going to just kind of do a little kneading. It's kind of messy. I hate when this stuff sticks. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. You know, they make it so easy or look so easy on these Instagram posts. That's all right, here we go. I'm just gonna get the right kind of texture here. Scrape up some of that. Okay, so it goes into four, break it up into fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe a little more oil or flour here. No oil, no oil. Just maybe a little more flour. Okay. All right. Okay, so now I got my little rolling pin here. I'm gonna roll it. I don't think I needed to put any oil or anything in the pan. I've got a nice non-stick pan. Non-stick, get it? I just crack myself up. I told a joke in yoga yesterday, yin yoga. We were in butterfly, you know, where you sit with your feet together and you fold forward, and then as you come forward, your nose is like right above your feet. So I was like, I hope everybody washed their feet. Dead silence. I'm like, just a little yoga humor. Next time your yoga teacher tells a joke, laugh. Okay, here we go. It's still a little sticky, but I'm just gonna stick it in the pan. Let's see what happens. Okay. You know what I forgot? I forgot to put salt in there. Probably need some salt. Oh well, lesson learned. Two-ingredient naan. Now's the waiting game. Earth balance. Doesn't look great, but I think I'm gonna just put a little earth balance on it and then top it with some salt. You could put garlic on there, you could put some herbs, some olive oil. Maybe I'll do olive oil. Not bad. Bruno's sitting down here. You wanna try it? Okay. Oh, okay, so this one is bubbling up. Let's flip it over. It's pretty good. 2 ingredients, you guys. Flour and yogurt. You just need to make sure that you put enough flour in there, otherwise it gets very, very sticky. But then once you top it, you can top it with whatever you want to and make it really pretty. But since it's just me and nobody else, I don't care what it looks like, as long as it tastes good. It's good. Soft. There we go. Here's our naan. Not bad, right? Let me know if you decide to try it. Super, super easy. Any vegan yogurt will do. Okay? See you later, everybody. I'm gonna go wash my hands.